In this lecture we are going to talk about the importance of wearing safety helmets. In many industrial working environments like mining, power, construction, and forestry, head is exposed to injury and accidents. The most serious risks are physical injuries, which occur as a result of falling object or collision with fixed objects at the site. Helmet is commonly called hard hats on a construction job site. It should be able to resist penetration by objects, and should be able to absorb the shock of a blow. It should have adjustable and replaceable suspension and headband. It is very important to wear a helmet properly. The headband should be tight around forehead and neck. Helmet should not be worn loosely such that it falls off while looking down. There should be minimum amount of clearance between the hard shell and the skull. The harness straps crossing the top of the helmet should touch head. It should be replaced every 2 years. The type of helmet will depend on the job profile. In general, there are 7 colors in safety helmet. White is for engineers, managers and supervisors. Yellow is for laborers. The blue is for electricians. Green is for safety officer. Red is for firefighters. And brown is for welders. Not wearing a hard hat on a building and construction site is not optional. It is compulsory. It is everybody's responsibility to ensure everyone wears a helmet on the site.